Alright, here we go around the room. You guys are... What do you think, Sergey? Careful, Peter, watch out. Let me get in the video. Look at the video. Yeah, what do you think?
My turn!
I think she's both excited and a little unsure. Hang on, slowly, slow. Wait, stop right there so I can get the video. Sarah Grace, what do you think? I think she's still a little unsure. Going around the room. Sarah Grace, what do you think?